Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again for another video. I am doing another video based on another Belle product. So if you're at all familiar with my channel or my past few videos where I've talked about this product line, then this is nothing new. If you're new and somehow stumbled upon this video, I've been reviewing some products from Belle, which is a great company that specializes in organic natural ingredients that are dehydrated and then resold, and typically they're Ayurvedic based, or they have a lot of natural herbs and essential oils and things that really help bring your hair to amazing health and vitality and bounce and shine and whatever shiny adjectives you want to slap on. Belle has been really great for my hair thus far, and in particular they have a collaboration with a YouTuber by the name of Proverbz, and together they've built together this natural hairline that is very successful, I guess, for a lot of other YouTubers, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers review this product line in addition to myself. Anyways, I have a fourth product that I've purchased from them. Fourth product that's available in the Proverbz line. I think there's about 5 products altogether. There might be more in addition. This line continues to grow as it continues to become more and more popular. Anyways, this is the Belle and Proverbz Rhassoul Clay hair cleanser. And you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, what's wrong with just using Rhassoul Clay on its own? And to that I say, yeah, you absolutely can purchase Rhassoul Clay just about from every vitamin shop, every health food store, specialty store that's in the market. Rhassoul Clay is definitely a cleanser that is really powerful in itself as far as drawing away impurities, and through Rhassoul Clay or bentonite clay or kaolin clay or whatever clay base that you use with water, it will have amazing results. The reason why I went with Belle's version is mainly because I've liked the products that I've used so far from the company, and I figured why not. And they have a few other additional ingredients added to the Rhassoul clay to kick up the moisture and kick up the health benefits. So in this packet there's Rhassoul Clay, vitamin C, aritha, which is an amazing Ayurvedic herb, bitter melon, hibiscus, witch hazel, slippery elm, and honey. And I got the 2-ounce pack, and I've used it already, and I've already had good success or great success with it. It is not the end-all and be-all as far as hair cleansers, but I liked what I saw with it, and it definitely made my hair soft after I used it. And like a week later, when I took down my 2-strand twist, I could still feel the softness in my hair, which is fantastic. That's exactly what I look for in a product. Not just that it's great, how it feels when you first apply it, but the week afterwards. Does my hair still feel good? Does my hair still feel nourished, or does it feel completely bone dry, like nothing's touched it at all? So from a cleanser, which doesn't typically stay in the hair as long as a conditioner, which is formulated to actually deposit and stick onto hair strands, I think that's pretty spectacular and cool. So yeah, I really enjoyed this product. As far as how you use it, there's 2 main ways that I've been using it. There's probably other additional ways that you can experiment with it, which is great about Belle products in general, is that there's a lot of many ways that you can DIY and mix it up and customize it to your own hair needs. But the ways that I've used it is straight up first scooping out a tablespoon of the product itself and mixing it with some distilled water in a bowl, or using apple cider vinegar and mixing it until I get it to the consistency that I like, and then just applying it to my scalp, scrubbing, and then rinsing out as per usual. The second way is using it sort of as a pre-treatment or a hair mask. So what you would do is, once again, you take a tablespoon of the product itself, and then you can mix it again with some water or apple cider vinegar, and then add in a little bit conditioner, whatever conditioner you like, and then mix it up, create sort of a paste mask, and then just apply it to the hair. I do that as a pre-treatment. You could do that as your deep conditioning treatment. It's really up to you. You know, it's your world. I know that there's natural hair gurus that are out there that say that you can't really use conditioner as pre-shampoo treatment because it's better to use hot oil treatment. Whatever the case is, I find with your natural hair, you just do whatever works for you, right? So it works for me, so that's the way that I've chosen to mix it up for myself. In any case, I really enjoyed this. I would say that still, if you're someone that is curious about Belle Bar and you've seen some videos and you're wondering to yourself, is it really worth spending all that money? I would say first and foremost, if you're going to look at any of the products in the Curly Proverbz line with Belle Bar, go for the hair gloss first, because oh my gosh, it is so good. I felt immediate results in my hair. Literally as I was putting it through my hair, it just felt amazing. If you haven't seen my video where I did a review on that and demoed how I put it in my hair, it should be linked within this video in addition to my other videos as part of my Belle Bar review series. But yeah, it was really nice. So that would be the first product I would absolutely 100% tell you to get first. Then I would say, yeah, go for this because it's really nice. If you have some extra coins left over, if just buying one mask from the line is too much, then yeah, you can go to any shop, get Rhassoul Clay, mix it with water, and you're good to go. It's not that serious. But if you're curious, this is also a really good product from the line. I also really enjoyed their hair growth tea that I've used, and that's pretty much done now. And then there's also the hair oil that's supposed to be really amazing as far as hair growth, which I've also reviewed, that's on this channel. So overall, I've been really happy with Belle Bar's products. I feel like though I'm gonna definitely take a good break from buying some stuff. I've kind of broke my product junkie rules, or I said I was gonna calm down on buying all the natural hair products. I am really well stocked right now, and I really want to cut down on the amount of time that I waste by doing my hair. I mean, I love my hair and I like taking care of it, but you know, sometimes, you know, life comes at you and there's a whole bunch of other stuff that you want to do, so you don't want to be spending like hours upon hours on your hair. So in any case, I hope this review was helpful to you. I want to thank everyone that has been watching and commenting on my previous videos as well. I really appreciate the viewership, I really do. And I wish you all well, and I hope that if you do end up getting one of these Belle Bar products, I hope it really works well for you and your hair needs. And if it doesn't, please don't come back at me and curse me and say, you know, you said that this line's amazing and did this, and this to my hair. Don't do all that. Sorry, okay? Anyways, take care, guys. I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely week, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, take care. Bye.